Welcome to Coding Tut and a new video tutorial on HTML5. Today I will show you the basic components of a web page, and I will teach you the different elements that you need for the web page, or even a web application. So let's start. The first thing that you need at the top is a doc type. The doc type has changed in the past few years. This is a doc type for HTML, the last version of HTML. They've decided to shrink it down, to have less information into it, because they didn't see, the people that work in the consortium didn't see a need to have more information. So the doc type tells the browser how to generate the code on a web page, what version of HTML that you're using basically. Afterwards, you need to open the HTML element. So this is the element. Then you write space and then lang. This is an attribute. This attribute, lang, will tell the browser which language to use. Here, en refers to English. Then open the head element. Afterwards, in it, write the meta element. In it, add the charset attribute and put UTF-8 between brackets. I just want to add that your header, you can put it this way or this way. It doesn't really change anything. The reason why I put spaces here is to make it more readable when I write my code. Then I add the title element. This information will be found at the top of the browser or in the tab of the browser. We will change it to demo 1. And then I will save it. Afterwards, you can add other elements like this one, the link element that refers to the style sheet of your web page. We will look at this later on in other video tutorials. Then close the element. To close an element, you just need to add a slash. Of course, you have seen that this element does not have a closing element. It closes by itself. You can also add a slash here to close this element, but you're not obligated. If you do use a slash this way, then you must add slashes to every other element that do not have a closing element, like the head. Then I can click save. Afterwards, open the body element. In the body element, you put the information that needs to be found in your web page. Here, this element is a comment element. So if you have any information that you want to put in your code but does not show in your web page, you put in between those elements. Afterwards, you close your body element, and then you close the HTML element. Now, let's see how it looks in the browser. There's no information being shown, but you can see here at the top that we can see demo 1. This is the title. This is the information that we've written in here. Now, let's put a content in our web page. Refresh, and here you go. Hello world. Let's go back to our code. Everything that is found in the header is information that the browser needs. Everything that is found in the body is all information that will be shown in the page here. So this is it for this tutorial. Next time we'll look at different elements that you need in a web page. Thank you very much.